Hey, have you ever wondered how celebrities always look flawless, with that glowing skin and a body that seems to defy time? Like seriously, what's their secret? It's not magic, not 24/7 gym sessions, and I promise it's not some crazy Instagram filter either. Honestly, it's way simpler than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you the teas that celebs use to slim down, get amazing skin, and have energy to spare. Tired of boring diets that just don't fit your hectic life? Chill out, because you're about to discover practical, affordable tricks anyone can do at home, yep, even if you can barely boil water. Want to feel light, confident, and like a total star everyone notices? Then stick with me until the end, because I've got recipes that'll transform your daily routine in a snap. Or, well, a sip of tea. Check this out. We see these celebrities on social media, always rocking a perfect figure and energy that seems endless, right? Red carpet pics, workout stories, and you're like, how do they do it? Well, here's a little not-so-secret. A lot of them swear by simple teas, stuff you've probably got in your kitchen or can grab at any store. It's not about having a personal chef or a fancy spa. It's about using what's right there to boost your looks and feel good. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank or get stuck on some insane diet that leaves you hangry and grumpy. Today, I'm showing you how to bring that A-list vibe into your everyday life with tricks that are like a shortcut to feeling fabulous. Imagine sipping a tea and catching yourself in the mirror with that, wow, I'm a VIP energy. That's exactly what's coming up. First up on the list, hibiscus tea with cinnamon, a total fave among models. Think someone like Gisele Bündchen strutting her stuff with that killer body and radiant skin. This tea is like a runway hack you can whip up in your kitchen. Hibiscus is awesome for cutting down bloating. You know those days when you wake up feeling like you're carrying a balloon in your belly? It helps you deflate and gives your skin a glow that doesn't even need a filter. Then cinnamon jumps in to rev up your metabolism, burning calories while you go about your day. Making it is a breeze. Grab a tablespoon of dried hibiscus, those pretty red flowers that feel like nature's gift, toss in a cinnamon stick, boil it in about 2 cups of water for 5 minutes, and you're done! Drink it hot if you're into something cozy, or iced with a few cubes to cool off. It's easy, it's chic, and it'll have you feeling ready to shine anywhere. No heels or heavy makeup required. Now, if you're someone who follows fitness influencers on Instagram, you've probably noticed a lot of them rave about green tea. And for good reason. This stuff is the king of fat burning and energy boosts. Picture this, one sip and you've got the fuel to tackle your day, whether it's hitting the gym, grinding at work, or just keeping up with your chaos. Green tea's got these magic compounds called catechins that help your body turn fat into energy. It's like a liquid personal trainer, minus the yelling. And to make it even better, we're adding a twist with lemon. Take a teaspoon of green tea, loose leaves or a bag, up to you. Mix in the juice of half a lemon squeezed fresh and let it steep in hot water for about 3 minutes. Don't boil it, okay? It'll get bitter and nobody's got time for that. The lemon adds a vitamin C kick and helps with digestion. It's the kind of tea that leaves you light, energized, and feeling like you're crushing it at the gym, even if your workout's just climbing the stairs. And to wrap up our lineup of red carpet-worthy teas, we've got chamomile with ginger, the go-to for celebs who are always on the move and need to chill without packing on pounds. Think of those actresses jetting off to film sets or photo shoots. This tea's their secret to staying calm and keeping their figure. Chamomile's like a hug in a mug. It soothes your nerves, helps you sleep better, and even gives your digestion a little love. Then ginger swoops in as the metabolism hero, speeding things up inside so you don't hold on to anything you don't want. To make it, grab a teaspoon of dried chamomile, those cute little yellow flowers. Grate about an inch of fresh ginger and let them steep together in hot water for 5 minutes. Train it, sip it slow, and feel the stress melt away while your body says thanks. It's the perfect balance of unwinding and staying on track, like you're the star of your own blockbuster. Now that you've got these 3 amazing teas in your arsenal, let me drop a couple of extra tips to make the most of this celebrity vibe. First off, try sipping them in the morning to kick your day off right. Green tea's perfect for that instant energy hit. Or, if you're more into winding down, save the chamomile one for nighttime to relax in style after a busy day. Second tip, keep it simple. These teas are your fast track to feeling light, full of energy, and rocking that glow that makes people go, "What's your secret?" No need for an expensive trainer or a nutritionist charging an arm and a leg. With a cup in hand, you're already on your way to shining. Picture yourself snapping an Instagram selfie with that star-quality energy. That's what these teas bring to your life. An easy, affordable way to take care of yourself and feel like $1,000,000, as if the red carpet's just in your living room. So here's the deal. It's time to put this into action. Which of these teas are you trying first? The hibiscus with cinnamon to debloat and glow, the green tea with lemon to burn fat, or the chamomile with ginger to relax like a VIP? Drop it in the comments below. I'm dying to know your pick. If you love these tips, give me a quick like to spread the love, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more beauty and wellness hacks. Let's turn our everyday into something straight out of Hollywood together, because you deserve that star glow, and I just showed you how to get it with a cup of tea.